That's cheesecake. At itong version na to, super rich at medyo sobrang dali lang din niyang gawin. Mag-line lang tayo ng parchment paper sa 6-inch round pan. Sa gintong bowl, we need room temperature na cream cheese. I-whip lang natin until smooth. Then lagay na natin yung powdered sugar. Powdered sugar ang gamitin mo, best friend, para sigurado smooth yung cheesecake natin. For this recipe, we will use 3 room temperature eggs. Incorporate natin one at a time. Importante naka-room temperature lahat ng ingredients natin, best friend, kasi pag malamig yung ingredients mo, mas matagal siyang kailangan lutuin. Kaya possible na mag-iba yung outcome niya kaysa sa pinagayahan mo na recipe. Nag-add tayo ng vanilla and nag-sift ng cornstarch. Finally, while mixing slowly, add our heavy cream and naka-room temp din. And dapat smooth na yung mixture natin like this. Transfer to our cake pan at isa lang for 40 minutes sa 250 degrees Celsius na preheated oven. Cool down natin completely. I suggest pag di na mainit, ilagay sa fridge at let it set overnight. Para sa akin, best friend, mas masarap siya the next day.